the first game sa ating opening night. Official score is 8-4. Lamang ang defending champion. Side. Guys, ang perfecto. 8-6 ang ating talaan. On the service area, jersey number 8. Not over. Barangay Batis. Korean. Good. Not over. Points, Barangay Batis. Korean Delia on the service area. Oh! It's a check ball. Corinne. Oh, inside. 12-6 in favor of the defending champion. Delia on the service area.
Now service by Korean.
Cell. Oh. Good. Luna. Oh. Not over. First. Not over. One on the service area.
Now service by
One Rose.
And a shot.
Free ball. Aira. Oh, nice dig. Naiangat ng San Perfecto. Wow. Nice dig. It's a net touch. Barangay Batis points 14-7. Arzel Domingo on the service area. Domingo. Oh!
Check ball.
It's a check ball para sa Barangay Batis. 15-7.
Still the service by jersey 11.
Marcel.
Nice hit. Now over by Antonio. Point para San Perfecto.
Points to Barangay San Perfecto.
Now the service by Abiel. Number 5. Chance ball.
There comes Antonio. Nice dig. Whoa. Double touch. Or more touches.
In P4, 16-8.
16-8. Antonio on the service area. Good serve by Antonio. Outside.
Outside. Point Barangay Batis. Still in the service by jersey 11.
Not over.
Service error.
17-9 in favor of Barangay Batis.
Shot by number 14. Check ball.
Check ball.
By number 15. That was served by De Leon. And a shot! By number 15. With Laguna Nicole.
That's Laguna Nicole.
Nice pass. And official score 19-9. Substitution. Number 7 and number 17. Perez.
Number 17 Perez coming in for Barangay Batis. Whoa!
Check ball.
Check ball.
Point Barangay Batis. And official score 20.
Time out.
Timeout. Barangay San Perfecto.
San
And official
Perfecto.
score 29 by Barangay Batis.
Gurayeb. Gurayeb. Nagkala si Gurayeb. May internet ko. Wala kasi isang cellphone.
Okay, next game. Next division. Barangay Corazon Jesus versus Barangay Batis. Please stand by. Men's division. Still in the service. Inside by jersey
Official score is 10-20. Laguna inside. Nicole Laguna. 21-10. Ayan, possession na po. Hindi ko mabasa yung mga comment. Hindi ko po makita ang isang backup phone ko. Paumanin po ninyo. Ayan na. Here comes the Barangay San Perfecto. Rose. Nice dig. Arcel may drop. Laguna. Inside. 22-10.
And official score 22-10 in Philippine Barangay Batis.
Oopsie, not over. 23-10. Warning para sa defending champion. Inside. Nakahabol pa ron. Kitang-kita ng ating mga officials. 23-11. Number 5 on the service area. Arcel. Ooh, nice dig. Free ball, Laguna. Nice dig. Ayan na, San Perfecto at the back row. Lanot, number 17, to Arcel. Uy, naibalik sa Barangay Batis. Setting on, papalo rito at over by Arcel Domingo. Puntos para sa Barangay San Perfecto.
Still the service by
Santos Arian on the service. Oh! It's a check ball para sa Barangay San Perfecto.
Santos Arian again on the service. Shot by Morales.
Oh, nice dig. Ay na, Laguna, not over.
Warning
23-14. Warning pa rin. Arian Santos. Lanot will receive. Papado si Laguna. Nice dig para San Perfecto. Binalik. Ayan na, Perez, binigay, Laguna, buhay pa, the MVP is in the house, mga gan, nagpaparamdam na ang MVP na si Nicole Laguna. Laguna on service for the win. And dito na po nagtatapos sa ating first set. Our final score at 25-14. Winner of the first set ang defending champion ng Barangay Batis. Alright, we're going to the second set. Ayan. mga kakatunin lamang po, this is the, what we call this, a rematch last season sa ating District 1 Finals noong nakaraang San Juan City Mayor's Cup Women's Volleyball District 1 Finals. Ayan, tingnan natin kung makakabawi rito ang Barangay San Perfecto
Okay, next game.
kontra sa ating defending champion ng Barangay Badis.
Barangay Profesor Jesus versus Barangay Batis. Men's division. Please stand by.
Ayan, good morning po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sobrang dami at talagang kapanapalamig ang ating season 2026. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ngayong taon? So for this time, second set tayo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second set between Barangay Batis versus Barangay San Perfecto.
Ayan, alright. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating laban. Shoutout muna tayo dito sa gilid. Ma'am, shoutout. Busy po ang lahat, no? Uy! Good luck, good luck. Let's go, second set. Ayan na, pinasok na rin dito si Abby Dumbid. One of the star player ng Barangay Batis. Antonio in the service area. Good receive para sa San Perfecto. Drop ball. Nayangat. Binalik sa San Perfecto. Number 5. Not over. Points. Barangay Batis. 1-0. Antonio on the service area. Good. Drop ball. Nayangat. Free ball. Laguna. Laguna naibalik. Number 5, free ball. Ayan na. Drop. Antonio to Laguna. Nice dig by number 29. Ayan na. Oh, napalakas lang. Outside. By Dumpo.
Still
2-0 para sa ating defending champion. Antonio outside. Number 5 on the service there. Outside. Number 14.
Number 14.
Oh, number 5. Laguna will set. Ayan na si Laguna. Naibaon. Nice shot para kay Nicole Laguna. 4-0, 4-1. Favor of the Barangay Badis. Outside. Points, Barangay San Perfecto.
Okay, number 10, Eliza Quinto.
Free ball. Whoa, not over.
Point, Barangay San Perfecto.
Puntos para sa Barangay San Perfecto.
Still in the service by jersey number 10, Eliza. Galeana Jr.
Blocked from behind by jersey number 4. Iba na ang matangkad. Tabla tayo sa 4.
Number 10, still in the service by Eliza.
Luna, Lagunan. Uy! Oh! Sayang, di umabot. Diretso lang, walang packet. Puntos para sa Barangay Batis. 5-4.
Jersey 0.
Nice dig. Ayun na, San Perfecto. Drop. Number 14, inangat. Ayun na si Laguna. Inside for Nicole Laguna. With a quick attack. 6-4. Dalawa lamang ng defending champs. Abby Dumpit on the service area. Nayangat. Here we go. Pumalo. Uy.
Net touch.
It's a net touch. Abby. Ayun na, drop ball. Uy! Oopsie. Points, Barangay San Perfecto. 4 touches. Number 1 at the service area. Gabriel. Abby. Nice dig. Number 6, pumalo. Oh, not over. Points to Barangay Batis. Oh, not over. Number 11. Blocked by number 4. Inabangan talaga. Oh, correction. Outside. Correction. Outside nga lang. Abidong-pitong to service. Not over. Sorry. Happy tuloy si number 9. Seven. Makabalitaw. Antonio, not over. 9-8. 1 point lead para sa defending champion.
With 1 point lead from Barangay Batis. Still on the service by jersey number 4. Makabalitaw.
Not over.
All 9.
Tabla na tayo sa 9. Number 4 on the service. Nice dig. There we go. Oh, outside. Change favor. Lamang ng Barangay San Perfecto with a 1 point lead. Number 4 on the service. Oh, see, not over. Tabla tayo sa 10. Official scores all 11. Number 29 on the service. Outside. Change favor. In favor of Barangay San Perfecto. Number 29 on the service. Oopsie, not over. Tabla tayo sa 12. Nice dig. Free ball para sa Barangay Batis. Number 14. Laguna na naman. With a quick attack. Nicole Laguna to finals MVP. If I'm not mistaken. Nagpapakitang gilas na ng gusto. Ayan na si Antonio. Para nice service ace for Alilia. Antonio. Number 6. Good. Oh! Another service ace for Antonio. Outside. Nice shot by Laguna.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Substitution. Number 11. Coming in number 8.
Number 8 coming in for Barangay San Perfecto. Good. Oh. Outside. 17-13. Number 14. Nice three. Ayun na, free ball para sa Barangay Batis. Number 14, setting on to Laguna. Block from behind. Oh! Nice block para sa Barangay San Perfecto to stop the bleeding. 17-14. Baba sa tatlong lamang ng defending champion. Tipo. Ayan na sa kabila. Ooh. Free ball. Nice dig by Arcel. Ayan na si Laguna na Rover. Ano ba yan daw sabi ni Nicole Laguna. Down by 2. 17-15. Team on service. Good receive. Good shot by Antonio. Ayan na. Naiangat. The big one. No good. Ayan na. Drop ball. Pero naiangat ng San Perfecto. Number 4 with a drop. Yun lang. Crossing for a net touch. 18-15 in favor of the defending champion. Abby Dumpid on the service. No, not over. Points sa Barangay San Perfecto. Oh, outside. Puntos para sa defending champion. Laguna Licol on the service. Nice dig. Drop ball. Nice dig. Binalik ulit at the back row. Lanot was there. Number 14, Binalik. Ayan na, number 5 to number 4. Ooh! Nice shot by jersey number 4. 19-17. De Leon, nayangat ng San Perfecto, free ball. Number 19, Laguna, Lanot, binalik. Uy, nayangat sa kabila. Number 5, setting on. Nice dig by Antonio. Oh! Ayan na. 20-17. Perez on the service area. Another service ace for the defending champion. Galing yan kay Perez. Ay, mga tito, ang Barangay San Perfecto. Tingnan natin ang kanilang huddle. Official score 21-17. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Perez on the service area. Nice dig para San Perfecto. Inangat ni number 6 to number 4. Narover. Sayang. May mga daw. Perez once again on the service area. Naiangat. Drop ball. Nando sa number 14, Laguna, setting on. Oh, what a block by number 4.
Inside point for Barangay San Perfecto.
22-18.
Okay, now let's hear it by number 4. Makabalitaw.
Nakabalitaw. Naiangat. Drop ball. Inangat sa kabila. Number 14, setting on to Perez. Naiangat dito ng San Perfecto. Number 5, binalik. Lanot was there. Number 14, to Perez. Drop ball. Pero nandoon ang San Perfecto. Ayan na. Block from behind. At puntos para sa defending champion. It's a double.
Okay, once again, double for San Perfecto.
Yeah, shoutout po sa ating mga CDR na kasama natin sa bawat mga laban. Maraming salamat po sa inyong punta. Ay na, number 29, Lanot. Setting on, number 14 to Abby. Naiangat, number 5 with a quick attack. Perez to Antonio. Naiangat. Ayan na, drop ball. At this time, si number 10 naman ang magpapakitang gilas. That is Dumbo. 23 at 19. Hindi pa daw tapos ang laban. Sabi ng Barangay San Perfecto. Sevilla on the service. Laguna was there. Number 14, binigay. Antonio. Sorry, that's Abby. Ito ang number 14. Oh! Ayan na, last one for the win. 24-19. Last one, tatapusin na ba ni Antonio ang laban? Oh! Not over. Di pa daw tapos ang laban, sabi ng San Perfecto. Apat pa ang kanilang inahabol. Di pwede magkamali rito. Si number 5. Good serve, Laguna, naiangat. Laguna papalo, naiangat dito. Number 10 with the drop. Lanot was there, Abby. Uy, naiangat. Here comes number 2. 14, Laguna. Naiangat pa rin. Di pa tapos ang laban, check ball. Outside. Points para sa San Perfecto.
Point Barangay San Perfecto.
24-21.
Barangay Datis.
Number 5, good serve. Lanot will receive. Number 14 to Laguna. Drop ball, binalik sa kabila. Free ball para sa Batis. Abby, naiangat. Ay na sa dulo. Oh! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations, Barangay Batis. Get the first win this season 2026 sa ating women's volleyball. And a nice game para sa Barangay San Perfecto. Ayan, still on top ang defending champion. At nakuha na po nila ang kanilang unang panalo ngayong taon. Alright, our final score 25-21 with a 2-0 sa ating set.